Hello my lovely ladies, welcome back to the channel where age is just a number and style is forever. Today I'm bringing you another round of outfit ideas specially curated for mature women who want to look elegant, feel confident, and express their beauty through timeless fashion choices. Because the truth is, fashion isn't about following the latest trends, it's about finding what works for your body, your lifestyle, and your personality. And I believe that every woman over 50, 60, or even 70 deserves to feel fabulous in what she wears. So let's dive right into these inspiring looks, starting with the power of simplicity. A classic monochrome outfit is always a winner. Think head-to-toe beige, soft grey, or even navy. When you wear one color in different textures, you create a look that is both chic and modern. For example, a pair of wide-leg trousers with a soft knit top and a lightweight duster coat in the same tone will make you look taller, leaner, and so put together without even trying. Now let's talk about the beauty of feminine silhouettes. A-line skirts, wrap dresses, and belted coats help define the waist and flatter the natural curves. Pair a midi wrap dress in a floral or polka dot pattern with nude heels or elegant flats. Add a pearl necklace and a classic handbag and suddenly your entire look becomes timeless and graceful. Now for more casual days, comfort meets style in the form of high-quality basics. Think a pair of straight-leg jeans with a slight stretch, a tucked-in striped shirt, and a soft cashmere cardigan thrown over your shoulders. Add a pair of loafers or slip-on sneakers, and you've got the perfect outfit for running errands or grabbing lunch with friends. Layering is another secret weapon for older women. It gives your outfit depth, warmth, and elegance. Imagine a long tunic over leggings with a structured blazer on top. This combo elongates your frame and gives you a polished look without effort. And don't be afraid to add accessories like a printed silk scarf, a leather belt, or even a wide-brimmed hat, because these finishing touches are what truly elevate your look. And yes, let's not forget the magic of prints. Don't let anyone tell you prints are off-limits. They are not. The key is choosing patterns that suit your personal style. Go for subtle florals, abstract designs, or classic stripes. Mix them with solids for a balanced look. For example, a printed blouse tucked into solid trousers with a neutral blazer over it can look incredibly stylish and age-appropriate. And for those special moments when you want to look extra stunning, reach for fabrics that move with you like chiffon, silk, or soft crepe. A flowing maxi dress with a touch of shimmer, or a blouse with delicate lace detail can make you feel elegant and radiant for any evening event or celebration. When it comes to color, embrace shades that light up your face. Dusty rose, lavender, olive green, burnt orange, and cobalt blue are all gorgeous on mature skin. Mixing colors that complement each other like camel and ivory, or navy and blush, will always give you a refined and graceful appearance. And let's take a moment to talk about shoes, because comfort should never mean sacrificing style. Look for beautiful options with support. Pointed flats, low wedges, soft leather loafers, and block heels can all elevate your outfit while keeping you comfortable throughout the day. Now let's touch on outerwear. Every woman needs at least one good trench coat, a tailored long coat, and a lightweight jacket for layering. These pieces can transform even the simplest outfits into something worthy of a magazine cover. And finally, remember that confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Whether you're wearing jeans and a tee or a tailored pantsuit, it's your smile, your energy, and your grace that complete the look. So wear what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Embrace your changing style, and celebrate every year with a wardrobe that reflects your elegance, your wisdom, and your joy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these ideas inspired you to try something new, to mix and match what you already own, and to walk out the door feeling beautiful from the inside out. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and tell me which outfit idea you loved most. Until next time my beautiful ladies, stay stylish, stay glowing, and always remember, your best look has no expiration date.